This is a 1968 Plymouth GTX hardtop. Beautiful car, beautiful, brilliant red color. And one of the things I like to look at car shows is a picture book here of all the steps that the owner took, or the restorer, whoever it might have been, in restoring the car. As you can see, it's very extensive. And when you go to a body off frame restoration, it shows you all the steps involved. It's amazing the transformation that the cars take. This is a good way to establish all the work you've done. Memory has a tendency to fade over time, but when you have a book like this, you remember all the painful steps you went through. As you know, these cars came equipped with either the 440, which this has, or the 426 Hemi. This one has air conditioning. And it's as nice under the hood as it is on the exterior of the car. And we have aftermarket wheels here, like American Racing. We have a little problem with that underhood pad there. It's quite a windy day, so it picked up anything that was at all loose. GTX on the side. Black interior. Console and 4-speed manual with the pistol grip handle. Tack on the by the steering wheel there. Nicely trimmed back end here. Very nice car.